今天要在这边画画，因为我的画室出了一点状况，所以我现在没有桌子了。在我处理好那张桌子之前，我就先随便搭建了一个工作的地方，所以现在这个摆设会有一点莫名其妙，但就是这个原因啦。今天我想要把之后出市集会用到的这些盒子、展示盒都改造好。现在我们没问题了。我不确定你们能不能听到我的声音，因为现在雨下得很大。但刚刚就是出了一点问题，因为我的白色颜料不够，加上它又很难着色上去，所以我换了一个方式。就先在全部上面都喷一层漆。喂，那就先把透明的地方都先铺一层餐巾纸。我不知道你们有没有看过餐巾纸的纹路，我仔细看了以后发现其实很可爱耶。你看这里有一朵微笑的花。
Choose for your clothes, the color of both your highs and lows, your old winter scarf that's starting to fray. And when I think of you, I see gray. Gray is what gets me through most of my days. The memories of you and your little ways, I store them in me like an ice cube tray. And when I dream of you, it's in gray. Thinking of you makes me sigh out loud. It feels like a fall through a thundercloud. A maze of raindrops, a blur of you. That's what it's like when I think of you. Gray is the only comforting word, the only hope to be part of your world. I'll give up the sun every single ray, waiting for you to color me gray. I'll give up the sun every single ray, waiting for you to color me gray.